Hey everyone, today I want to share with you, I think it's the May Your Creative Studio kit. Shipping is crazy delayed now, so if you're expecting anything from the US and you're in Europe, so it's not, anyone's fault. That's just the situation with the corona. But anyway, there's some really good stuff here. I only took a peek so we can look at everything together. And let's get started. So there are a couple of really cute stamps, and the packaging of everything is so pretty. So this is like this really cute, dainty flower, which would be great for scrapbooking and planning and art journaling. You can write a few words there or stamp the date or something. And then this one is a simple frame, which would also work really well for pretty much everything. Really, really cute. Then we have, what is this? Let's get it open. This was kindly sent to me by YourCreativeStudio, and I'm happy to share the goodies inside. So another really nice packaging that I'm too stupid to open. These are really pretty. I love really thin papers. I started my adventure here on YouTube as a scrapbooker, and a lot of like my favorite scrapbooking materials were actually dimensional things, but now I'm much more into art journaling, and well, mostly I paint with watercolors, but if I do add stuff, it's either to an art journal or a planner, and I find that, the thinner the paper, the better. So these are super, super thin, and I think they would be really, really nice as like tip-ins, or, just stick them down in your planner. They have these also really cute, dainty designs of flowers and some lettering. Just really, really cute. You could also write on this with a black pen, I think, without a problem, but these would be just lovely for a collage, and since they are so thin, they really won't add a lot of bulk to your planner or junk journal or whatever it is that you're playing in. Really, really cute. I really enjoy this. Is like my kind of vintage, because it's just like really cute and dainty and not too dark. These are some pressed flowers. How cute is that? That is super cute. And what else we have here? These beautiful, again, it's all very delicate and dainty. I really love that word. I'll try not to abuse it, but you can see all the designs. Really adorable. I think I think this one is my favorite. These roses are just beautiful. I think I'll do like maybe a floral theme to my planner this month. Another beautifully packaged item. The packaging is made of vellum, you can see, hopefully, and I'm just trying not to rip the sticker. No luck. Let's see what's inside. I haven't opened everything. So there are 30 pieces here. I think these are also vellum, which is really, really fun. Let's see if I can rip the whole thing. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah. So these are all vellum, and you can, you get a few designs. So I think there are 6 designs here, it looks like. Lovely and transparent. Really beautiful. I think this one is my favorite. Super pretty. Not gonna even try to put them back. What else? We have this sticker sheet. Also beautiful. Have these some butterflies and these lovely delicate flowers. I'm saving, I think that's my favorite. I have a few favorites. I'll save it for last. This is Washi with a very cute design. It has like this edge of kind of an aged paper. Very cute. And this one also looks so appealing. So this is like these just notes, and there's a perforated line here so you can tear it up. So you basically have two designs, and the paper is like, it has that you know, it's not this shiny paper, it's very matte and has a bit of texture, has that more of a vintage feel to it, and I love the design. This is so pretty. The outside is also really lovely. Then we have, what else? Another little notepad. Flower memory with this beautiful design inside, and again this has perforated line, so there are two designs you can use. And there are also some larger papers that look handmade, and they're lovely. So 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets. I really like these kind of papers. And last but not least, I think these are my favorite. These are like a post-it, I want to say. Looks like it. And they have a travel theme, which I love. So yeah, they're post-its. So there's the like a weaker adhesive on one side and a bunch of each of the designs. Really, really cute. I think, shocker, the camera is my favorite. So make sure you check YourCreativeStudio. Thank you so much to Amanda that sent this to me. I think she always does such a great job curating these kits. They always look so appealing and everything coordinates so beautifully. If you like that kind of vintage feel without getting too dark and too brown and too distressed, which is what I personally don't like, then I think you'll really enjoy her style. And yeah, she has really, really cute themes. I think this one looks like it's more of a spring floral kind of theme, but she always picks really, really beautiful things. So I think I will go and just decorate a little bit my little Hobonichi.
Thanks everyone for joining me in this video, and I'll see you soon in another video. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.